Hate it when my doubts and my fears swell up like the ocean. It feels like
Welcome in, welcome in. How's everybody doing today? We are at, wait, don't show them too much. Hold on. Wait. We are at Hotel Lulu and we can't be more excited. Now, we were here back in October, so maybe roughly 6 or 7 months since we've been back. And honestly, there were some renovations going on. So we want to see what has changed. Also, we booked a different type of room. To be exact, we booked a king size accessible room. We'll be showing you what this room has to offer. We really want to take you guys to see what new updates there are. Have there been improvements? Not that they really need any, but let's just see all the cool things. Take you guys through the pool, all the conference rooms that they have. We won't be able to get in, but we can show you all the ones that they have. And then we'll also show you any of the amenities that they have. Some less talking, let's get into it. So we have this nice closet cabinet, and my wife already took all the space. So I don't really get any space every time we get in here. I usually let Julia get everything, but we have a nice Cars hoodie that does not come with the hotel, some nice Crocs, but it has space for hanging anything that you need, your bags, your luggage, and this Spider-Man bag that my wife got. But they also have an ironing board just in case you need it. And then we always have to check. This one is a Sunbeam. I don't know where you get those, but it's nice, it's cool, you know? Come on, let's move on. Let's get into the bathroom. So the bathroom is literally right when you walk into the door, such as, you know, most hotels have to offer. If we get right here, it does have your nice sink. The one thing that's caught me off guard by a little bit, there's not really a countertop that you see in most hotels, but they offer this nice little stand here. What the? I guess it doesn't come with the hand sanitizer, but that's cool. It does have a little bit of amenities. They have lather, they have makeup remover wipes. It doesn't come with clear eyes, but we ended up bringing those. But it has a nice sink, everything that you typically need. They have a hair dryer, and let's check the brand out. Let's see here really quick. Tourmaline Ionic. So yeah, sounds pretty fancy. They have the Scott Professional bathroom tissue. This isn't the basic tissue. This is the professional Scott's. We have a nice toilet, very basic. It is Gerber. I don't know if that makes any difference. And then we have a nice pool, right? A nice pool painting here. I hand painted this myself. So the other hotels, you know, maybe Van Gogh did it, but I did this one. But we have plenty of towels to use, which is really good. Never can have not as many towels. Look at the bathtub, super spacious, a lot of room for you to take a shower. I think this is where the accessibility comes in. It has the extra handle, but it has the nice lather soap. This is, what's the brand of this? I think the brand is Lather. So you have body wash, hair wash, and a rinse. And I just dropped a towel. So, but it has everything you need, and you can take a bath. A lot of hotels only offer showers, so that's definitely good. We have a nice large size mirror right here. If you're trying to look good, fly, going out the park, hey, just kind of gotta get right here, you know, get your hat right, whatever. I'm looking a little rough, but it's all good. I might not need to look in the mirror. But over here, we have a nice Monet painting. My wife said, this is a Monet. I said, this is a 3D Monet, you know what I mean? We have 2 waters that you will have to pay for this water. It is $6 a bottle. However, there is a CVS and Walgreens at the nearest corner where you might can find it a little bit cheaper and just bring it up. And as we'll get to in a second, this room does come with the refrigerator, so you'll be able to use that for those drinks as well. It has a nice little tea kettle or a coffee pot, Lipton tea, instant coffee, house blend. Whose house is it from? Beator. I don't know where that's from, but that's not my house. Anyways, nice cups, an Emerson microwave if you have some extra goodies from the park that you need to warm up. And we also have a safe. I'm not even gonna try to open it because you gotta do all the extra good stuff, and we're not doing that. All right, let's keep it going. Over here, we have a nice 55-inch TV. I don't remember what our last room had, but this one's actually looks pretty good, updated. But who needs a TV, right? You're gonna be in the park all day, every day. You do not need to be watching TV, only to go to sleep. It comes with a Seasons, I got it right this time, a Seasons refrigerator. It has drinks already come supplied. No, we actually bought those. Didn't come supplied. And then if we come over here, we have a nice Banksy portrait. I called Banksy. I said, look, I need one of these sent to the house because this one's very nice. All right, coming over here, we do have a nice vase light. I do like this. Feels very sturdy. And it's also cool. You can change the type of light you want. You want dim or you want bright light. You have multiple options. Those switches are offered throughout all the lights within the room. So that's definitely a plus. And it comes with a phone, right? Not very fancy, but it is a phone. Antibacterial phone. So I don't know. But anyways, let's see what's in here. I'm assuming, based off our other videos, my wife has probably put her ears in here. So let's just make sure and see. And sure enough, she did. A whole drawer full. So here we have some fancy ears. We have some more fancy ears, but I'll make an exception, right? We are here for 3 days. What everybody is probably most interested in is how good is the bed. Now, this is a king size bed, as mentioned before. Typically, your cheaper option is gonna be the double. However, it was only like $15 more to get the king size bed, which was actually a really good price. And it's pretty comfortable, I would say. I had a good night's sleep in it, and I would obviously say get the king if you can. Now, if you come a little closer, you can see the details here, right? It's like an alligator background. Now, this is like a hotel that's like pool vibes / beach vibes. I don't know if there's any crocodiles at the beach, at least not the beach we go to. So hopefully not, but this is actually a nice touch. It makes it look a little bit more premium than what other hotels may have to offer. Moving to this side of the bed, we do have another vase light, which is very nice. Another nice drawer. I miss when, hotels used to come with Bibles. Like, they don't even put the Bible in there anymore. All right, we have a nice ottoman chair, right? Last time I got it wrong. I said a reclining chair, but we have a nice chair. Test it out. Yeah, it's pretty comfortable. I would probably put one in my house. So we do have a view of the courtyard, and as you can see, it's actually very nice. We'll take you through that. We'll show you what's down there. But if you can see, we are on floor 5, and if you look right across, the next building is they have 5 floors. One of the changes that we did notice is that on our last review, they did have a kind of like a print on the wall that looked like you were under a pool or maybe like a bathtub or something, right? Because this hotel is centered around, kind of those beach vibes as well. So that's definitely a cool thing to see. I didn't mind the look of the tiles, but it's cool. The walls look very clean and new as well. Now we do have a unit here for our AC. It does blow out pretty good. It blows out pretty strong. I actually had to turn it off so you guys can hear me okay. And it works. We can control it. Like I said, I'm not going to go too much into it all the time, but we can control it, and that's always a plus to us. The one thing I will say is that the window is a little bit foggy, but obviously, like I said, we're not looking at the park. We're just looking out to the courtyard. I think that's something that they can easily clean. But yeah, we have a nice, I don't think this one's a Herman Miller, but it is nice. If you have to get any work done, let's test the swivel though. Let's see. That actually has pretty good. I'm kind of dizzy right now. I don't know if I can stand up. If you come a little bit closer, they do offer room service. So free delivery, no fees. You can mix and match. You can obviously order and pay from here. It says average delivery time 25 minutes. Is probably just them prepping the food. And if I can recommend anything, this burger looks good. We need to try that. But the breakfast sandwich is one of the best things. The cool thing about this room is that it comes with a prison door. I'm just kidding. This is actually an adjoining door to a connecting room. So if you have multiple families, it's always a plus to have one. You can just open up the door. You can have an even bigger room. So cool. As what we started to recently do, this is a large room. A ton of space for activities. You can do cartwheels, jumping jacks. Heck, if you want to do yoga right here, you have plenty of room to do all that good stuff. And that's why this room is actually really cool. Hotel Lulu actually has a ton to offer. They do have breakfast and lunch that will come at a price, so that doesn't come with the hotel. They do offer parking. Now, once again, that is also costs tied to that as well. But you can also rent strollers. They have an ATM machine. They have a nice little section where you can get snacks and drinks. And then they also have a pool. They also offer room service as well. Tons of things to offer. They do offer conference room. So if you're throwing a party or you have your business meeting, they have plenty of those as well. Look how nice this is. This is so many conference room. Hopefully it picks it up pretty good. All these are conference rooms. Very cool. Osher event here. And this will lead out to one side of the parking lot. Also, it smells like Hawaii here. Like, I don't know if you guys ever been to Hawaii, but it smells so good. It smells like eucalyptus and pineapples. They also have an ATM machine in case you need that cash. But also here is the courtyard. Very nice. Just really garden. Not like much to really do, but you could probably sit out here if you have a chair, enjoy the weather, take pictures. But it's actually very nice and calm. And they have a ton of parking. If you look at this is one lot. You can obviously come down here. This Jeep is super nice. But they have trees to cover your cars to give you extra shade. But here is the other parking lot that they have. Plenty of space for parking. And wait, there's two of the same color Jeeps. I think we might need to get this color. Actually, we realized that they have two buildings. So this building is right here, and this is the main hotel. We talked to the front desk worker to see if there was any differences between being in either side. And he said the rooms are the exact same. So doesn't mean that those are just suites or, you know, doubles. It's cool. They have lots of space, lots of rooms. This side, the main building goes up to floor 8, and I believe that this one goes up to 4. So lots of area, lots of rooms. But here is the courtyard again. Very nice, quiet, and quaint. And then you would access the lobby through here. Here is the eating area. So this is where you would come to get breakfast, lunch, and drinks back at the bar. And we actually got food last time we stayed here, and it was one of the best egg sandwiches I've ever had.
It is 79 degrees and it is 10:30, so that means it's time to go for a swim. This is a lovely pool. It is pretty deep, but it also starts pretty shallow, about 3.5 feet to 8 feet. And check this out. They provide all the little floaties and the little beach ball, and it is Mickey themed. How fun is that? But this is a nice pool. Like, it's big. It looks fun. I want to take a dive, like literally at this moment, because it's pretty hot at the moment. So we have a beautiful fire pit over here. We have tons of seating, tons of lounge chairs. There's umbrellas to protect you from the sun. We have all these fun games. They have a giant chess game. They have beanbag toss, and this is pretty fun, right? It gets pretty competitive out here. Another little fire pit as well. And in the evening, they have these lights on. It looks really nice. And then it's beautifully landscaped. They have these beautiful plants with these beautiful flowers. It's very inviting. It's tropical. The huge Connect 4, and this is new. This looks so fun. It's like ping pong. I love that. Oh, and check this out, a Jenga. Now that gets competitive, but the vibes out here are very tropical. We got the hibiscus plants, we got the palm trees. This is a really fun area. I enjoy this, like just being out here. Right over here is where you get your beach towels, and once you're done, you'll just toss them in there. So there's a couple different entrances into the pool area. So this one leads to some of the rooms. So that's pretty cool if one of your rooms are around here. And then this door leads into the dining area, the bar, and then there's the main entrance over here to our left. So yeah, this is so much fun. I love this area. I missed. Oh, I made it. Also, you can order food here. Okay, So I saw it in the hotel, but I'm not sure if it actually delivers out here, but they have the little robot that delivers the food directly to you. So I'm not sure if it does it here, but I know that it does it to your room. So, but this is where you would order for some little eats out here outside at the pool area once you're hungry from a Disney day, from swimming all day and enjoying the sun. So that's always a plus.
This is the bar area over here. Plenty of seating. A large space for dining, and like I said, their egg sandwich is one of the best things they have to offer. If you guys are here, you should definitely try it. So you can also get your food for pickup. It doesn't necessarily have to be, you can sit down, and they have a little snack bar here. So nice. They even sell t-shirt, beach towels, and drinks if you forget yours. But also here's the menu. It's called the Good Yolk. There's 2 lights that you need to cross to get to the park. We timed it. It's actually like a 15-minute walk to the park to get to the front gate. But getting to security, I think it was like only 13 minutes. So we'll time it again and we'll show you our walk to the park. Currently, it is 10:17 a.m. and so far right here, although I've been yapping a little bit, it's 30 seconds in. I would show you my watch, but we have to get to the park. So IHOP is right next to our hotel, and you also have another hotel, which is the Hyatt House, which has Walgreens, Starbucks, Blaze Pizza, and Chubby Dumplings. Yum. And as you can see, we're really close to this first light, Catella. Well, as we are approaching, it is 1 minute and 30 seconds. And we got lucky. Cross over here. We did cross the street. You probably can't see that, but that's 218 to get from our hotel, which is right there. Come down this street and cross right here. Walking now. Yeah, if you can time it right. I mean, I don't know how you would actually time it, but if you can get lucky with the lights, it's a plus. We are at the Candy Cane Inn. Honestly, it's only taken us 4 minutes and 3 seconds. It has been an average pace walk. Not too fast, not too slow. We are approaching our second and last light that we need to cross. We're currently at 7 minutes to get to this second light. Try to get across this street. We got 15 seconds to do so. Julia's gonna run and pull me. We just made it across the street, 7 minutes and 48 seconds. And we like to go left. So if there's a split here, you can go right or left and take this beautiful scenic route. We are arriving at the first gates and our time is at 10 minutes, 30 seconds. To the dog security, we are at 12 minutes and 25 seconds. We finally made it to security. Security! It is 12 minutes and 57 seconds from our hotel to get to security. Now, security can vary depending on what line you get in. Obviously, you want to go to the shorter one, but if you want to time it to the front entrance of the park, obviously, if you get in the shorter line, it would be a lot quicker. It took us about 17 minutes to get to the front of the gate, even with going through a little bit slower of security. So yeah, not too bad. But we are actually gonna head on to downtown Disney for another video. So overall, in the room itself, it does look a little bit newer. Last time we were here, the elevator wasn't working correctly, or that's what they were working on. And now it's updated. It works just fine, so that's definitely cool. Overall, once again, I would stay here time and time again. It's very close to the park. Unfortunately, we had some slight technical difficulties, and we'll have to wrap up with a little bit of B-roll. But we also wanted to finish out and let you all know that we really enjoyed our stay at Hotel Lulu. Although the renovations were not necessarily needed, it was definitely much appreciated. Also, we truly appreciate the support, and we cannot thank you all enough from the bottom of our hearts. We definitely have exceeded our June goal already, and that's saying a lot. Lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, let us know in the comments, would you stay here? Where would you like us to review next? Do you even like this style of hotel reviews? Let us know. Thanks.